There's no hard and fast rules when it comes to going to hair salons. When I started my natural hair journey, I didn't actually go to a salon for the first 6 or 7 years. It's only in recent years that I've actually started seeing a stylist, and even then I only see her twice a year at most. That, like I said previously, there is a lot of information out there, and so if you do want to do things yourself, it is much easier these days to be able to find out how to make your own masks or hair teas, or how to trim your hair at home. Again, it's to do with what suits you, your lifestyle, your budget, your goals for your hair. If you do want to see a stylist, I would share the goals that you have with your stylist, and they should be able to advise you as to how to get the most out of seeing them. For example, if you're trying to grow your hair and you're transitioning and you have a lot of damaged hair to grow out, then you might see your stylist every 2 to 3 months. If your hair is relatively healthy, you just want to be more conscious of the products you're using or the techniques you're using, then you might only see a stylist every 6 months. It really depends. It depends on the condition your hair is in at the moment and where you want your hair to be.